Hey guys, it's Cage Gamer, and today I'm going to be prank calling Xbox, asking them if they can fix my PlayStation. So yeah, I already have the number up, I think. What happened? Okay, I'll just copy the number from there. Nine two six. Okay.
Welcome to customer support. Para obtener soporte en español, presione 2. To help us improve our quality of service, this call may be recorded or monitored. In a few words, tell me how I can. Let's try another way.
Okay.
What are you calling about?
Xbox. I'm calling about Xbox.
Let's try once more. If you're calling about your Xbox One, press 1. Xbox 360, press 2.
360. That's what I'm saying. Never mind. We'll call about that.
I still didn't understand. Let's try something else.
360.
Sorry, I didn't understand. Please say accounts and billing.
360.
Let's try once more. For assistance with your account, billing, or membership question, press 1. For help troubleshooting networking, connection, or live feed issues, press 2.
Games.
I still didn't understand. Just a moment while we get you to the next available agent.
What the?
Hi, thanks for calling Xbox customer support. This is Irene. Can you have your first name, please?
Hi, I was actually checking if I could get my PlayStation fixed here.
I'm so sorry. Can you repeat that one?
I'm just seeing if I can get my PlayStation fixed here.
No, we can only repair or troubleshoot Xbox.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so is there anything else?
No.
Okay, so thank you so much for calling Xbox and have a great day.
You're welcome. Bye.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I thought they were probably gonna get angry. Oh well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.